2026. Y'all feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Alright, y'all stay tuned. I ain't seen this one yet. This thing sitting on some big wheels. It don't do no justice. How big these wheels actually are. That shit crazy. Yeah, the quick disconnect. was just rapping. Golly. Cause I saw this one with the nerds Tahoe. No, this not. This is a Civic Honda. Yeah.